In this final video in our design automation series, we want to explore how we might identify and implement design automation to increase quality, productivity, profitability, and enabling space for innovation crucial maintaining future viability. After all, we want to be Apple, not Nokia. In our previous videos, we have covered a number of areas where design automation can lead to efficiency improvements. As engineers, we're tuned to spotting issues and where improvements can be made. But in our internal processes, it can be more difficult to identify what can be improved, what gives the biggest advantage, or how we might even go about it. It's not always obvious where the breaks in our processes are. Introducing any automation should follow a repeatable process. Firstly, identification of the issue we want automation to address. For example, we often hear reference to administration functions, generally in reference to any necessary task or function of our role that doesn't really make use of our true expertise and skills. Often these may involve preparing information in formats required for others, taking the data we have and making it accessible for an outside party or other application. Or we may be addressing a quality issue or resolving an issue where we're redesigning things that have already been engineered previously. After identifying the issue, we need to quantify what the real impact of that is to our business, be that in terms of time, resource and material cost, or sometimes more intangible costs such as lost sales and lost opportunities. Once we know what we need to resolve, we need to understand how much investment is required in terms of finance and time, and how quickly we would see a return on this investment. Importantly, we need to consider how long we expect this automation improvement will be valid within our business. With validation and authorization to proceed, the implementation phase is inexplicably where many failures occur. Projects can fall down because they aren't given suitable prioritization against normal business or aren't sufficiently planned to ensure tasks are completed and defined deliverables are produced on time. Communication is key to adoption and buy-in of other stakeholders. Often, internal improvement projects can under-implement a vital element, the review process. Understanding if the objectives are being met, the impact to our defined measures, what went well and what didn't for future project learning. And it's of little use discovering at the end of the process that we have failed to achieve what we required. Ongoing review should be an integral part of the process. At Excitech, we can provide assistance in identifying opportunities for improvement and implementing those changes, whether that's through account managers, one-to-one surgeries, departmental technical reviews, or at a business-wide level, we offer a complete digital process review to give a high-level view of the digital maturity of the business, along with identified opportunities for improvement that can bring radical benefits to the overall business. Primarily focusing on the technological aspects around systems, collaboration and data, but also the business goals and objectives and the cultural aspects around technology adoption required to achieve these goals. We have developed services across the different industries and sectors that you can take advantage of to implement improvement, drawing on our experience and expertise to ensure successful outcomes. These can be tailored to suit as required and take the approach of fully detailed service, or we can work in partnership and collaboration with you to deliver agile services that adapt as requirements develop. Introducing design automation into your business increases efficiency and quality, improving profitability, but most importantly, giving time to focus on innovation and securing long-term future sustainability. So get in touch today to see how we can help you achieve more and enable innovation.